3M Thinsulate Window Film Climate Control combines both sun control and insulation properties and is virtually invisible to the eye. It can be installed quickly and cost efficiently, helping to reduce your energy bills all year round. This video takes you through its simple installation process, step by step. The first step is to accurately measure the window dimensions, rubber gasket to rubber gasket. Thinsulate is provided in packaging that allows the film to be cut to size directly from the box. First, measure the distance from the end of the packaging to the middle, and then push a knife through the box at the midpoint, resting it on the bench. Remove the tape from the film roll and with a smooth action pull the film so that the knife cuts it vertically into two pieces to the desired length. Cut along the box edge horizontally with the knife. Then roll the film up, ready for installation. Before you start installation, you must ensure that you have all the correct tools required for the job. In particular, a rubber window cleaning squeegee, a rubber window film squeegee with a maximum width of 15 centimeters, scraper and stainless steel blades, cleaning and installation solution in a spray bottle, a plastic squeegee, scotch tape, and lint-free paper towels. Using the wrong tools or inadequate squeegee pressure and technique will lead to moisture remaining between the adhesive and the glass. Once trapped, moisture will appear as milky blisters, which will not disappear with time. You're ready to start. The first step is to clean the window thoroughly. Start by wetting it with water mixed with mild detergent, then begin cleaning with the stainless steel scraper. Re-wet the window, further clean with a sponge and remove the excess water with the squeegee. Wipe away any water from the frame with the lint-free paper towels. Unroll the film and lay it out on a flat surface liner side up. You can check this by folding it over, and if the fold moves freely against the other surface, then you've placed it correctly liner side up. If it doesn't move smoothly, you need to flip over the film. Attach a piece of scotch tape to both sides for separation of the film from the liner. Next, wet the film with the spray containing water and mild detergent and roll it up tightly. Wet the film again, and with the help of the tape, start the separation of the liner from the film. Once you've done this, turn the roll over immediately to avoid dust being trapped between film and window. Wet the window again. Place the film roll onto the window with the scotch tape top right, and then start to unroll. Remove the tape and slide the film into the top corners of the window frame. Remove the liner. Reposition the film, and with the use of the window cleaning squeegee, remove the excess water. Wet the window again. Then using the rubber window film squeegee, with both hands for maximum pressure, remove the remaining water. This is best achieved by creating a T-shape across the middle and top. Then holding the squeegee at an angle of between 20 and 30 degrees, and with both hands, extract the remaining water by pushing the squeegee to both sides. Ensure that you overlap each stroke by 50%. Once this is complete, take a plastic squeegee and a knife and cut accurately along the edges of the frame, between the glass and the rubber gasket, to remove the excess film. Wet the window one more time, and using the rubber window film squeegee with both hands, remove the excess water. Dry the frame with lint-free paper. Then wrap a plastic squeegee in lint-free paper and use it to extract the very final traces of water. The lint-free paper is there to prevent any dirt coming back from under the gasket. Wet the window for a final time and use a sponge to clean it. Remove the excess water with a window cleaning squeegee and dry the edges of the window and frame with lint-free paper. You've successfully installed 3M Thinsulate Window Film Climate Control.